Have you ever experienced the frustration of a cracked laptop screen? Whether it's a small crack or a spiderweb of damage, it can feel like your device is beyond repair. But what if I told you that fixing it might be easier than you think? Before jumping into repairs, it's crucial to diagnose the problem accurately. Here's how you can do it. First, check for physical damage. Inspect the screen closely for cracks, scratches, or any visible damage. If the screen is cracked but still displays images, it may be a simple replacement. Next, test the display by connecting your laptop to an external monitor. If the external display works fine, the issue is likely with the laptop screen itself. If not, the problem may lie with the graphics card or motherboard. Third, look for flickering or lines. If you see flickering lines or color distortions, it could indicate a damaged LCD panel. And finally, listen for unusual sounds. If you hear popping or crackling sounds when using the laptop, it may indicate internal damage. By following these steps, you can determine whether you need to replace the screen or if the issue is elsewhere. Once you've diagnosed the issue, gather the necessary tools for the repair. Here's a list of what you'll need. A screwdriver set, a precision set with various sizes, especially Phillips and flathead. Plastic pry tools, which help in removing the screen without damaging the casing. Tweezers, which are super useful for handling small screws and connectors. A replacement screen, make sure to purchase the correct screen model for your laptop. An anti-static wrist strap, since this prevents static electricity from damaging internal components. And a cleaning cloth for cleaning the screen and surrounding areas before reassembly. Having these tools ready will make the repair process smoother and honestly, a lot more efficient. Now let's dive into the step-by-step process of replacing your laptop screen. First, power down and disconnect. Make sure your laptop is completely powered off and unplugged. If possible, remove the battery. Next, remove the bezel. Use those plastic pry tools to carefully detach the bezel around the screen and be gentle so you don't break any clips. Then, unscrew the screen. Locate the screws that are holding the screen in place, remove them, and keep them in a safe spot. After that, disconnect the cables. Gently pull the screen away from the laptop and disconnect the video cable, being cautious not to damage any connectors. Now, install the new screen. Connect the new screen's video cable and secure it with screws. Afterward, reattach the bezel by snapping it back into place, making sure all the clips are secure. Finally, power on the laptop. Reinsert the battery, plug in the laptop, and power it on to test the new screen. Following these steps will help you successfully replace your laptop screen. While repairing your laptop, it's essential to take safety precautions. Work in a clean environment. Make sure your workspace is free of dust and clutter to avoid damaging components. Always use anti-static measures, like wearing an anti-static wrist strap, to prevent static discharge. Handle all components carefully, especially the screen and connectors. To prevent future damage, consider a few tips. Invest in a laptop sleeve to protect your laptop from drops and impacts. Avoid eating or drinking near your laptop since spills can cause significant damage, and keep your laptop elevated with a stand to prevent overheating and accidental drops. By following these precautions and tips, you can extend the life of your laptop and avoid costly repairs in the future. In summary, fixing a broken or cracked laptop screen is a manageable task if you follow the right steps. By diagnosing the issue, gathering the necessary tools, and taking safety precautions, you can successfully replace your screen and prevent future damage. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech repair tips and tutorials. Share your experiences or questions in the comments below, and let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next.